If your business relies on WhatsApp for customers' inquiries, sales, or support, or if you're someone who regularly messages businesses, WhatsApp has this feature you should know about: the WhatsApp Privacy Checker, a simple guided tool that helps users review and update the privacy setting in just a few taps. While this update is aimed at users, it has implications to businesses. So why does this matter to customers? When you're interacting with businesses, you may not want to share your personal information. So, with the privacy checkup, you can decide whether businesses or unknown contacts can see your profile photo, whether they can view your last seen or online status, who can add you to the WhatsApp group. This means that you stay in control of your personal information and still enjoy the convenience of communicating with businesses. Why does this matter to businesses? Although privacy checkup is user-focused feature, it sends an important message to businesses. Customers are becoming increasingly aware of their digital privacy. Therefore, businesses should make trust part of their customer experience. And here are a few ways to do it. Respect your customer privacy. Only message customers when they have agreed to hear from you. Avoid sending unsolicited promotional message or just adding customers to groups without their permission. Respecting privacy helps in building long-term relationships. 2, be transparent. Let customers know why you're collecting their information, their phone number, and how you're going to use it. For example, explain to them, I'm doing this for order updates, customer support, or promotional offers. Transparency builds confidence. And of course, keep communication professional. Use WhatsApp features such as business profiles, catalogs, getting messages, quick replies to create professional experience. This builds trust with your customers. And lastly, secure your business account. Enable two-step verification to protect your account from unauthorized access to ensure only the right team of members can access your customers' data. So privacy is becoming part of our customer experience. So customers are likely to engage with a business they trust. What do you think about WhatsApp new privacy checkup? Will you be reviewing your settings? And if you're a business owner, has privacy become part of your customer experience strategy? Let me know in the comments below.